Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed, you should just go to Pinterest here and we click. After that, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this page here, as you see, we go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, we click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.